Hi everyone, is your Comcast Landline giving you trouble? In this video, we will cover common problems and simple fixes to get your phone working again. Let's jump in. Common reason for a Comcast landline not working include connection issues or faulty equipment, call forwarding settings or account restrictions or interference from other devices. Fix 1. Check for service outages. Visit the Comcast service status page or contact customer support to see if there are any reported outages in your area. Go to Comcast service status page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then scroll down and click check for outage button to check the outage. Fix 2. Check connections. This can occur due to faulty wiring, a disconnected phone, or issues with the service itself. Ensure the phone is plugged into a working wall jack. Check if the phone requires power. If it's cordless phone, ensure it's charged. Test the phone with another cord or try a different phone to see if the issue persists. If you still have a no dial tone, contact Comcast support. Fix 3. Disconnect another devices. If you hear static or a noise, it usually occurs from interference from other devices or poor connections. Disconnect any other devices connected to the phone line, like fax machine, and check for static. Move electronic devices away from the phone to reduce electromagnetic interference. If static continues, test the line with another phone. Fix 4. Turn off call forwarding settings. This may be due to call forwarding settings do not disturb mode or call blocking features being activated. Check if call forwarding is enabled by dialing #1 and follow system instruction to disable it. Fix 5. Check the device. This could be due to issue with equipment malfunctions or account restrictions. Unplug your landline phone and connect it to a different jack to see if that resolves the issue. Check that your phone is powered on and that all buttons are functioning correctly. Try check with alternative device if you have. If you still cannot make calls, contact Comcast customer support for further assistance. Fix 6. Restart modem. Restarting your modem can resolve temporary connectivity issues, refresh your network settings, and restore your internet connection, which is often linked to landline functionality. Locate the power cord connected to your Xfinity modem and unplug it from the wall outlet. This allows the modem to fully power down and reset. Reconnect the power cord to the modem and plug it back into the wall outlet. It may take a few minutes for the modem to restart completely. Look for solid lights indicating a successful reboot. Fix 7. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for digital voice services. If there are issues with your internet connection, it could impact your ability to make or receive calls or a digital landline. Check if you are access the internet on a computer or smartphone connected to your Wi-Fi network. Fix 8. Check balance. Your balance might have expired and you need to pay online. Select View Bill button from the top of the home page if you have pending payments. Recharge now to make payments. Fix 9. Voicemail setup issues. If these steps do not resolve your issues, it's advisable to contact Comcast customer service at 1-800-934-6489. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. They can provide further assistance and escalate the issue if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.